slap my mama, what the... Welcome to Palo Duro Canyon State Park in Canyon, Texas. We're here for a couple of nights and we want you guys to come along with us. We have a few things planned, maybe some hiking, maybe some exploring. I don't know. We'll see what we get into.
And hopefully we'll get a chance to give you guys some of this amazing scenery around here. I mean, it's breathtaking to say the least.
It is a little bit of a drive to get down here. It's about a 10% grade with switchbacks. So just know that if you're planning a trip here, we found that it was fine. We disconnected our tow vehicle and just drove that separately down into the canyon because you do actually camp on the canyon floor and you come in from the rim.
Sweet. Morning, we're rocking it early here at Palo Duro Canyon State Park, and we are doing the Juniper Cliff loop behind us this morning. We have our walking sticks, we're ready to go. We have our camelbacks full of water. I think we're ready for a hike. Hopefully you guys will come along with us.
Yep, this is going to meet up with the Juniper Riverside Trail, and altogether it's about a 2-mile hike. We decided to get out a little bit early. Sunrise doesn't start here until about 8 a.m. So it's nearly 10. It's 67 degrees right now, but going to get up to nearly 90. So we wanted to hit the trail early. First off, I'm really glad that I downloaded this trail from All Trails because we've been off trail like 3 times already. And All Trails has gotten us right back to where we needed to be. Secondly, this appears to be a horseback riding trail, so an equestrian trail, a hiking trail, and a mountain biking trail.
So we keep seeing these really cool rock formations, and it's hard to continue to hike because we constantly want to stop and look at some of this stuff. I mean, that's the whole purpose. So you have this rock here that's balancing. We've got one in front of us that's balancing, and then we have a tree growing right out of the top of one of the rocks in front of us.
I've tried to reach you, but you close your mind. So much to say, the words are hard to find. You're running out of stamina, I see it in your eyes. Let me be your light, we can reignite like fireflies. Whenever you can't sleep at night, I'll be the one that would hold you tight. Whatever emptiness inside, I feel it up, make you feel alright. Cause I'm never giving up on you. Cause I'm never giving up on you. I know each time is worth the fight. I'll be around till you be alright.
The reason I'm taking a shot is I'm going to be completely quiet and I want you guys to listen. Absolutely nothing. Most beautiful sound in the world.
Now we're on the Juniper Riverside Trail. So we crossed over one of the park roads and we're doing the second half of this hike. Behind me, there is a thermostat, and that lets you see how hot it is, because down here, especially in the summertime, it gets well over 100 degrees. We're really lucky today because it's only in the 70s and we have cloud cover, but we still have our water and we have our hats and sunscreen applied. So just make sure that you're aware of what you're getting into and make sure you bring enough water.
So we're down on the canyon floor doing our hike around the Juniper Cliffs, and that is the canyon rim. So we're actually at the floor of the canyon. I believe that's some 800 plus feet above us there behind us at the rim of the canyon.
You might want to bring some bug spray because there are a lot of flies around. I'm so glad we did this trail today. It has been absolutely perfect.
So we finished the hike. It's about 2 miles. It was a loop, so it brings us back out to, where we parked and got started. The trail is fairly simple. I would call it in between easy and moderate. There are some climbing, and we did need our climbing sticks on several occasions.
We also went off trail a little bit, and That definitely required the climbing sticks.
Absolutely.
But oh my gosh, was it so worth it?
Yep. The scenery was unbelievable. The weather, couldn't ask for a better weather day. I mean, I think it's 74 degrees, but there's a constant breeze blowing, so couldn't ask for any better day than today, that's for sure.
So if you're ever at Palo Duro Canyon State Park, definitely come to the Juniper Cliffside and the Juniper Riverside Trail.
You will not be disappointed, I guarantee you. My personal guarantee, you will not be disappointed.
Hey guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video of Palo Duro Canyon State Park. We had so much fun there. The only problem, it wasn't long enough. We will definitely be back for as long as we can stay, which I think is 2 weeks.
The maximum stay at the park is 14 days. I'd love to spend 14 days there. This was one of the parks that we went to, and at the end of our 2-night stay, I was wishing we could change our whole schedule and stay longer. We didn't plan accordingly. I had no idea it was going to be as breathtaking as it was.
We were in Site 126 in the Sagebrush Loop, but know that at a maximum, all you're going to get is water and electric. There's no sewer hookups there. There is a dump station and there are bathhouses. We're only there for 2 nights. We didn't use the bathhouse, but if we go back for longer, we may, or we'll just have a Blue Boy. We only paid $26 a night to stay there. It's super cheap, and the rangers are all really friendly there.
If you were planning on an extended stay, it would probably be worthwhile getting the Texas State Park Pass.
Yes.
You want to do the math and check out the difference between not having the pass versus paying for the pass, especially on a 2-week trip.
Yeah, so the other thing I want to say is that this video, y'all, is not going to do this park justice.
Not at all.
The views were unbelievable. You could see where our campsite was. I could just sit out there for hours and just see the nature. Actually, you had a really great experience.
Yeah, so I had walked around the front of the camper and I saw someone using binoculars to look up at the canyon wall just behind us. Like, wonder what he's looking at. Let me go grab ours. So I went and got our binoculars, and lo and behold, a huge, like 20+ herd of bighorn sheep was running back and forth across the top of the canyon wall. Coolest thing I ever saw.
Yeah, it was really phenomenal. The other thing we want to say is that there was a little general store just outside the park called Sad Monkey, and we loved it. They served beer, they had coffee, they had little snacks, a nice little outdoor patio. They had some small provisions and things like that, and then they had, you know, hats and gear and stuff like that, which is really cool. So I got a coffee, Mike had a beer. We sat outside and enjoyed the beautiful weather that they had in Canyon, Texas that day.
I will tell you, but we were driving in, I looked over at Chris, I was like, where's the canyon at? I don't see anything. The road's just flat. All of a sudden you pass Sad Monkey and you see a little teeny cut on the right-hand side that looks like a ditch. Well, as you pass that tree line, ba-bam, here's the canyon.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode, and we'll see you next week. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode, And smash that like button, please. And hit the notification bell while you're at it so you never miss one of our episodes. And we put one out every single Thursday.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
It's a 14 maximum day. Cut. Hold on.
Wait, he's got it.
I got this. Look, check it out. Thanks to my mother-in-law, Judy, we are finally official. Blooper.
Yeah.
On the hike, it's tough. We keep wanting to start over.
Okay. There are no sewers. Okay, now we are on the Juniper Creekside. Creekside?
Riverside.
Okay.
If you were planning on an extended stay, it would be more bloopers.
Yeah.